Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix notification sound not working on your Google Pixel. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. The first solution is simple but often overlooked. Press either the volume up or volume down button on the side of your device. This will bring up your volume control panel on the screen. Once it appears, tap on the More icon, which is typically represented by 3 dots or a small arrow. This expands the full volume settings. Now make sure your notifications volume slider is turned up high enough. Sometimes this slider gets accidentally lowered, which is why you might not be hearing any notification sounds even though everything else seems fine. If that didn't solve your problem, let's move on to the second solution. This one targets individual apps that might be having notification issues. Find the specific app that's not giving you sound notifications. Press and hold on the app icon until a menu appears, then tap on App Info. This takes you to the detailed settings page for that particular app. Once you're there, tap on Notifications. You'll see various notification settings for this app. Look for the toggle button next to all notifications at the top and make sure it's turned on. This ensures the app has permission to send you notifications with sound. Now for the third solution, we're going to reset your app preferences. Open your device settings by tapping the settings icon. Scroll down through the options until you find System, then tap on it. This opens up your System settings menu. Continue scrolling down until you see Reset options and tap on it. Here you'll find several reset choices. Tap on Reset App Preferences. This won't delete any of your app data, but it will restore all app permissions and notification settings to their default state. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Reset Apps to proceed. Give your device a moment to complete this process. And finally, the last solution is to try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can clear up minor software glitches that prevent notification sounds from working properly. Press and hold the power button, then select Restart from the options that appear. And that's it. Your notification sounds should now be working properly on your Google Pixel. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.